Sensay AI has just been released, and if you're looking to take advantage of the best AI software out there, this review is for you. In this video, we're diving into 7 crucial things you need to know about Sensay AI and why it's making waves in the world of AI tools. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly what makes Sensay unique and how you can leverage it to skyrocket your digital marketing efforts. First things first, Sensay AI is an all-in-one platform designed to help automate and streamline customer interactions, data collection, and even content creation. It's built for anyone in digital marketing, customer service, or content production. Whether you're a small business owner, an entrepreneur, or a marketing professional, Sensay aims to simplify the tasks that typically take up valuable time and energy. And the best part? You can try it completely free from the link below. One of the standout features of Sensay AI is its natural language processing, NLP, capabilities. This isn't just any chatbot. Sensay's AI understands context, learns from every interaction, and gets smarter over time. This means it's not only great at answering questions, but also at predicting user needs, personalizing conversations, and delivering relevant content. What makes Sensay even more impressive is its ability to integrate with existing tools like CRM systems, email marketing platforms, and even social media. If you're already using a suite of tools, Sensay can enhance them by adding AI-driven insights and automations. For example, you can easily automate follow-ups or set up responses based on customer behaviors and preferences. If you're in digital marketing, Sensay offers some serious advantages. Its analytics are incredibly detailed, giving you insights into what's working and where you can improve. It's not just about the volume of interactions, but the quality of engagement and the ability to fine-tune your strategy based on actual user data. This makes it an invaluable asset for scaling marketing campaigns effectively. Another feature worth noting is its ability to handle multiple languages, which is perfect for businesses looking to expand globally. Sensay AI's multilingual capabilities make it easy to communicate with customers from all over the world, increasing your reach and making your business more accessible. Now, let's talk about content creation. Sensay doesn't just automate customer service, it can also assist with content generation. Whether it's writing blog posts, creating product descriptions, or generating social media copy, Sensay can save you hours of work. It's like having an AI-powered content assistant that helps you produce high-quality material at scale. Another important thing to consider is Sensay's user-friendly interface. While it's packed with powerful features, it's designed with ease of use in mind. You don't need to be a tech expert to set it up and start seeing results. The learning curve is minimal, and the support team is responsive and ready to help when you need it. Finally, the scalability of Sensay AI is a major selling point. Whether you're just starting out with a small project or running a large enterprise, Sensay adapts to your needs. It's perfect for businesses of all sizes, and as your business grows, Sensay grows with you. Now, if you're wondering how you can get started, it's simple. Head to the link in the description below to try Sensay AI for free. After trying thousands of AI tools myself, I can confidently say that Sensay stands out for its versatility, ease of use, and impressive performance. To wrap things up, if you're looking for the best AI software to help with digital marketing, customer service, or content creation, Sensay AI is definitely worth checking out. It covers all bases, from automating conversations to enhancing your overall strategy with data-driven insights. Don't forget to grab your free trial from the link below and explore its full potential for yourself. Also, if you're interested, I've listed some of my recommended AI tools in the description that you can try for free. After testing thousands, these are the ones I trust the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.